Very good morning, class 3. This is your English literature class, and we are doing the revision of chapter 1 Noise Saves Our Way. So, today we are going to do the revision of all the exercises of chapter 1. So, open your books to page number 4. Here is the first exercise given, that is exercise A. Match the words in A with words in B to make complete sentences. Here are the two columns given. We have to match the column A with the column B. So first one is Noe walked along the shore and answer is spotted something in the distance. Number 2, Noe knew that it was not good for a whale to be out of the water for a long time because it could not survive on land for long. In front of the E sentence, you have to write number 2. Number 3, he filled a bucket with water from the sea and poured it over the baby whale. A sentence is answer 3. So write 3 here. Number 4, after taking the baby whale back home, Noe filled his bathtub with cold water and put the whale inside. Answer 4 is the B sentence. Here write answer 4. Number 5, Noe and his father put the baby whale in a motorboat and rowed out into the sea to put it back into its water. Sentence F is answer number 5. Number 6, Noe knew it was the right thing to do, but it was hard for him to say goodbye to his friend. Write number 6 in front of sentence D. So first is Noe walked along the shore and spotted something in the distance. Number 2, Noe knew that it was not good for a whale to be out of the water for a long time because it could not survive on land for long. Number 3, he filled a bucket with water from the sea and poured it over the baby whale. Number 4, after taking the baby whale back home, Noe filled his bathtub with cold water and put the whale inside. Number 5, Noe and his father put the baby whale in a motorboat and rowed out into the sea to put it back into its water. Number 6, Noe knew it was the right thing to do, but it was hard for him to say goodbye to his friend. Okay. Now come to the next exercise that is given on page number 5. Exercise A. Underline the nouns in these sentences. First of all, what are nouns? Nouns are the name of any person, place, animal or thing. So we have to underline the nouns in these sentences. Number 1 is Padma is on the train to Thrissur now. So in this sentence, Padma, it is a name of a person, train, name of a thing, and Thrissur is the name of a place. These three are nouns in sentence number 1. Number 2, can you find the face of a clown in this picture? So, in sentence 2, clown and picture are the nouns. Number 3, Kiran is going to Mumbai to play a cricket match. In sentence 3, Kiran, Mumbai and match are the nouns. Now number 4, we always go to Dr. Reena. She is an excellent doctor. In this sentence, Dr. Reena is a noun. It is the name of a person, and doctor is also a noun. It is also used for a person. Number 5, the animals are at the pool to drink water on a hot day. In this sentence, animals and day are nouns. Number 6, our cat Roxy has become friendly with our neighbor's parrots. So in this sentence, cat, Roxy and parrots are noun. Okay. So you have to do this exercise in your books. Now come to next exercise that is given on page number 6. Exercise B. Complete these sentences with the abstract noun forms of the word. यहाँ इन सेंटेंसेस में कुछ कलर्ड वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, उसका हमें एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स बनाने हैं. एंड व्हाट आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स? सो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स आर यूजुअली नेम्स ऑफ क्वालिटीज़, फीलिंग्स और आइडियाज़. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स किसके नेम्स होते हैं? इट इज़ अ नेम्स ऑफ क्वालिटीज़, किसी चीज़ की क्वालिटी या फिर कोई फीलिंग या फिर किसी आइडिया के नेम को हम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हैप्पीनेस, इन्जॉयमेंट, फ्रीडम. ओके, so here's the first sentence. Pankaj is so kind to his pets. They love him for his dash. So kind becomes kindness. KINDNESS, kindness. Number 2. Plants grow well in our garden. The sunlight helps their dash. In this sentence, grow, it becomes growth. GROWTH, growth. Number 3. Those soldiers were brave. The newspapers wrote about their dash. Brave becomes bravery. BRAVERI. These all are abstract nouns, okay? Because these are showing the qualities, ideas or feelings of someone or something. Number 4. Kumar is very honest. He told the teacher that he did not complete his homework. The teacher liked his dash. Honest become honesty. HONESTY, honesty. Number 5. We laugh loudly when we watch cartoons on television. R dash wakes up grandfather. Laugh becomes laughter. LAUGHTER, laughter. Okay class, now come to next exercise, that is exercise C, which is given on the same page. Circle the collective nouns in these sentences. We have to circle the collective nouns in these sentences. And now what are collective nouns? These are names we give to a group of things or people. Collective nouns means जब हम किसी ग्रुप ऑफ थिंग्स और ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को एक नेम दे देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. ठीक है. नंबर 1. द आर्मी क्रॉस्ड अ माइटी रेंज ऑफ माउंटेन्स इन द नॉर्थ. सो सर्किल आर्मी एंड रेंज. नंबर 2. प्लीज पुट अवे द पाइल ऑफ क्लोथ्स. ग्रुप ऑफ क्लोथ्स, बहुत सारे क्लोथ्स को हम एक साथ क्या बोलते हैं? पाइल ऑफ क्लोथ्स ऑन योर बेड. सो circle pile. Number 3. Our school has a large network of computers. Group of computers is known as network. So circle network. Number 4. There is a fleet of taxis parked outside the hotel. So circle fleet. Number 5. We bought a bunch of bananas at the fruit shop. Circle bunch. Number 6. They saw a large herd of elephants. Group of elephants is called herd of elephants bathing in the river. So circle herd. Okay. Now come to the next exercise. Exercise A. Replace the words in color in these sentences with the words from the box. In these sentences there are colored words. We have to replace it with the words from the box. Number 1. As Noah walked along the shore, he spotted something in the distance. Spotted means saw. SAW, saw. Number 2. Noah put the wheel on his pull cart with a lot of difficulty. Difficulty means effort. EFFORT, effort. Number 3. Noah wanted to save the baby whale. Save means protect. PROTECT, protect. Number 4. Noah said he would take great care of the whale. Take great care means look after. देखभाल करना. LOOK, look. AFTER, after, look after. Now come to the next page, page number 7. Number 5. Noah's father said that the whale should go back to its family in the sea. Go back means return. RETURN, return. Number 6. Noah hoped to see the storm whale again. Hoped means wished. WISHED, wished. Okay, now come to the next one. Exercise B. Match the words in A with the words in B to form compound words. What are compound words? When we use two words to make one word, जब दो वर्ड से जुड़कर एक वर्ड बनता है, that is known as compound words. Okay, here is the row A given and B given. यहाँ दो कॉलम दिए हैं, कॉलम A कॉलम B, आपको इनको मैच करना है और इनसे कंपाउंड वर्ड्स फॉर्म करने हैं. ओके, नंबर 1 इज मोटर. मोटर बोट. Match the motor with boat and write motor boat. M-O-T-O-R motor, B-O-A-T boat. Number 2, sea shell. S-E-A-C shell. S-H-E-L-L shell. Sea shell. Number 3, note book. N-O-T note, B-O-O-K book. Number 4, upstairs. U-P up, S-T-I-A-I-R-S stairs, upstairs. Number 5, cup cupboard. C-U-P cup, B-O-A-R-D cupboard. Number 6, table spoon. T-A-B-L-E table, spoon, S-P-O-O-N spoon. So these are the compound words that formed from these two columns words. Okay, so these are the exercises which you have to do it in your books only. जिसका वर्क कंप्लीट है वो इसको रिवाइज करेगा और जिसका वर्क कंप्लीट नहीं है वो इन एक्सरसाइजेस को अपनी बुक के अंदर फिल करेगा इन अ नीट एंड क्लीन हैंड राइटिंग. ओके क्लास, थैंक यू.